If you wake up before 4:45 a.m., do not open your eyes, no matter what you hear. In recent days, multiple cases of visual infection have been confirmed. It starts with something as simple as waking up. If you open your eyes between 9:30 p.m. and 4:45 a.m., you're at extreme risk of exposure. There is no cure. We strongly advise you to keep your eyes shut if you find yourself awake at night, even if you feel someone standing in the corner of your room, even if you hear your name whispered. Do not look. The infected are easy to spot. Their bodies are stretched, limbs unnaturally long. But the most recognizable trait is a single large eye in the center of the face. It does not blink. It's always searching for someone who dares to look back. Reports indicate the infected are most active outdoors between 8:45 p.m. and 6:10 a.m. They are especially dangerous near homes with uncovered windows. We recommend keeping children indoors during these hours. Infection occurs through eye contact. Those who open their eyes at night begin to show symptoms within 48 hours. Speech loss, erratic behavior, sudden aggression. Then they disappear. But eventually, they come back. Different. Nationwide alerts have been issued. The threat is spreading. There's a possibility of cross-border contamination toward both southern and northern regions. Containment may soon become impossible. This is not fiction. It's already happening. If you wake before dawn, don't check the room. Don't look outside. Don't turn on the light. Don't open your eyes. Just lie still. Quiet. You can still be saved.